Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you a little bit of Africa.
Yeah.
So
Interested to see what this one looks like.
I love the Somali Elephant. I think it's great. Coin. I haven't seen this one, but this almost feels like hot cross buns on Boxing Day, because this is actually the 2025 Somali Elephant. And what are we? Barely September.
Barely September, and we just did an unboxing of some 2024 coins that we should have got a lot earlier on in the year. So, yeah, definitely feels like this is happening a lot earlier than anything else. This is the first 2025 coin that we've had a look at in actual stock. We've taken a look at a few designs on streams and things like that, but
I guess the Perth Mint released their snake in the next little while.
Yeah,
as well for 2025. So they're all starting to flow through. Let's see if I can. There we go. Look at that. I love the tubes. I don't think anyone else does such stark blue tubes for their coins. It's just.
What are your thoughts on the cardboard monster box idea?
I'm not a big fan.
Yeah, I missed the, and I'm not sure if we're allowed to say this or not, but the plastics and whatever are going a bit out of fashion. But
environmentally unfriendly.
I do like a good solid monster box.
Oh, you've heard Matt and I's opinion on live streams about the way Ram's gone with their packaging.
Yes.
So, yeah. And look, this is they've done it again, a beautiful coin. I love the way they use the frosted finish with the mirrored finish. It really draws that design out. So you've got an elephant there with the savannah in the background. The African Wildlife Series.
The sun peeking right next to the ear there. Beautiful.
Is it the sun or the moon? I haven't got my glasses on.
Not sure now.
Yeah.
But there's one of the things you've got to take into account when looking at it as
I reckon it's the moon.
All right, we'll say it's the moon.
I think the moon shot on that makes it even more haunting. So I think it looked great. And then on the other side, you've got the Somali Republic insignia there
with a face value of 100 shillings.
Yeah. So an excellent coin, beautiful coin out of it's not actually out of Somalia. It's made elsewhere, but used with their blessing. So a beautiful coin, a great one, as we say, a great one to add flavour to your stack. Not many people can say they've got a Somali coin in their collection. So a good one. We don't have huge numbers. We did bring in a chunk, but we didn't bring in a massive chunk. We've got them available now. They are badged 2025, so we may be able to bring them in next year as well, with any luck. But certainly, if they're in your budget now, I would be grabbing them sooner rather than later.
Good stuff. All right, thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.